Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel of Wealth Munshi. Click on the bell icon and get the latest updates.
So, friends, there have been few requests coming in that people want to hear some case studies about some business people. Now, we've been sending a lot of case studies on professionals. So, here I'm introducing Mr. Darius Chennai, a business. Darius and we have been associated since 2008. It's a warm feeling when Darius and his family is around. आपने ये सुना होगा, खाने का, पीने का, मजा नहीं लाइफ जीने का. This holds very good for this Parsi father and son duo. Both of them are outgoing. They love, participating in the shooting champions. Just for information, Kainan has also been the national shooting champion for India. They are a goodie bag. I call them as a goodie bag. Polished, good at heart, have a weakness for good food and travel. If someone is there whom you call at 2 o'clock at night and say, I need help, Darius would be there around. He's such a friend for life. The challenge with Darius has been that sometimes I feel that he's been very, very complacent. Being a landlord kind of a person, a realtor, he has rental incomes huge, owning some of the best commercial properties in Hyderabad. The rentals run in crores, and that makes sometimes you go happy-go-lucky. The second challenge we faced is that his portfolio had been scattered, especially working with PSU banks. So it was very difficult to get everything at one place. Today, everything is at one place, but still there are some digital challenges to help them get digitally equipped. Let's see what Mr. Darius Chennai and his son Kainan Chennai have to say about their association with Wealth Munshi.
Darius and Kainan, can you please share a brief profile about yourselves?
I'm 58 years old and dabble a bit in the stock market, have investments, have rental income. And Wealth Munshi manages all my portfolios on one sheet of paper, which he is now demonstrating how I should digitally now get used to it.
Hi, I'm Kanan. I'm a sportsman for the country. I'm a shooter for India, and I've participated in international competitions for over 15 years now. And I'm a full-time sportsman, and Wealth Munshi manages my portfolio through me not being present and totally digitally, and now we are taking the next step forward in these pandemic times to figure out how to operate digitally, and it's a great asset.
Thank you. Since how long have you been associated with Wealth Munshi, and how have you benefited from the association?
I think now, I was thinking 10 years, about 10 years.
And how have
And
you
basically streamlining, getting all the tips from you, how to invest in mutual funds, what to do. It was all a new game when I started. Shares, yes, but mutual funds and all was completely new game.
Great. What made you buy your first investment with Wealth Munshi? And has your portfolio given profits in spite of the COVID times?
Yeah, the portfolio is doing okay. Could have done better, but it's doing okay, even in these kind of times.
Great. What changes have you noticed since you've associated with Wealth Munshi in the last 10 years?
The big one is digitalization. That's the big one. And also an update, changes, what has to be changed, what has to be rejigged in the portfolio. I don't have to keep thinking about it.
How do you think the Wealth Munshi team manages your portfolio digitally? Is it smooth and is self-sufficient on financial planning, wealth management and succession planning?
Yes, it is. In all three of them it is.
Great. What was the best experience you had with Wealth Munshi? Was it that we were patient listeners? We do a thorough background check. We ask relevant questions and gather information to understand you and your family. Follow a process. We deliver what we promised via our app and our platform. We have a good technical and service support. You follow the web series and WhatsApp tutorial, which has been beneficial.
Yeah, I think it's a combination of most of them. Definitely, you have a good team working for you. So you're up to date with all the finance and planning. And the bonus being the lunches you take me on.
Great. What was the most unique feature working with Wealth Munshi? Was it the financial planning platform? Was it the wealth management platform? Was it the personalized confidential report which you've got? Or is it the digital locker?
I think it's the digital, the complete digitalization of everything. Definitely that.
Sure. What is the USP of Wealth Munshi, you think? Is it that we made you realize your money is working for you and your family? Is it relationship building? Is it consolidation of all financial investments at one place? Is it personalization and customization? Is it understanding your needs and goals? Or is it that Wealth Munshi works as a guide, a mentor, an anchor to take calculated financial decisions?
Let me say that we started off as a client and a business relationship, and now we are friends and far more into understanding each other's needs.
Excellent. What do you think differentiates Wealth Munshi from the other boys in business?
The personal touch.
Excellent. Any eye-opener on associating with Wealth Munshi which did make a difference to you?
Made life easier, definitely. And making some money.
Excellent. Were the recommendations on your portfolio made by Wealth Munshi keeping your short, medium, long-term goals, your risk profiling, needs and wants, your previous investments were considered? Investments were made on wide range from international to local investments, global funds. A proper asset allocation was done. Multiple recommendations were made for different goals. It could be guaranteed or high risk, with a detail of understanding, a touch base to keep in touch.
A little complicated, no? What you said just now. I think all of them.
All the above?
Yeah.
What do you think are the core values of Wealth Munshi? Is it trust and ethics, perseverance or integrity, proper and clear communication, punctuality, professionalism and honesty, well organized and simple financial solutions, the personal touch, hand holding even in spite of COVID times, or the committed team to make sure you benefit?
Personal touch, hand holding very important. It's basically personal.
Great. Any areas of improvement you would suggest on enhancing our services for a smoother association?
Not really, not at the moment. You guys are doing fine, yeah.
Thank you so much. Anything you've not been happy about our association?
No, at the moment, nothing. But I'll let you know if there is.
Sure, please do. Where do you see our association another 10 years from now? And how can you help Wealth Munshi to grow further?
Kainan is saying more than double our portfolio.
Great. If you have to rate us, Darius and Kainan, from 1 to 5, 1 being excellent, where would you like to rate us?
At the moment, 1.
Kainan?
I'll second that. 1.
Thank you so much. What advice would like to give to other investors on associating with Wealth Munshi?
Don't miss the lunch that Neesh takes you for.
Thank you so
Keep
much.
With Wealth Munshi. Keep with Wealth Munshi. It makes wealth.
Thank you so much.